TikTok Lite search option, how to find the filter that you want without searching like a whole day. So let's get started. For example, if your favorite content creator or favorite person are using the filter that you've seen on here on TikTok Lite, you can actually use it by just going on their video. So here I'll be showing you how to do that. So right here, put in like something like funny TikTok, like funny. For example, this is an example, guys. For example, the person name is Batman, yeah, something like that. And for example, the video they're using is I don't know where's the filter at. I think this one has a filter. Right there. Nope, it's not. You can just see it on the bottom left corner if they ever have like a filter, something like that on. There you go. Yeah, if there's a filter, something that on, you will be able to just press it on the bottom left and use the filter. I think yeah, this one doesn't have one. But for example, like this, in this instead of CapCut, it says the filter. You can just press on that. But yeah, and then you can use that. And the other way of doing this is by going right here in the middle. So here in the middle, let's say you want to find a filter effect that you want. Click on effects right here, and then let's say how to find it, blah blah blah. You can either, if you think that it's trending, you can just click on trending. If you think that's using green screen, press on green screen. Accessories or whatnot, new, it says that you can just go down. There you go. Or you can do the same thing by just typing on the search earlier. They can put in beauty effect or beauty filter. It's just that, and it will show you right there. For example, beautiful filter effect. You can use that by just clicking on the video and then using their filter. Easy as that. There you go. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how I do it. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always leave it down below, guys. I'll be as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.